and those who are new students need not to feel that something is already over, and really strictly speaking,
recording in progress,
and the first feature is over, and the second feature is also over, and the fourth feature is also over, and the most important feature today is called what? Dynamically typed programming language we are going to see. Okay, so let us move forward to the dynamically typed programming language. Okay, right. And already in my class I just said simple. In the two definitions I said, can you just recapitulate what is the definition of API? Come on, all of you. Collection of modules. Collection of, because in data science and artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning, modules are most important. That modules we are learning like anything in this class. Okay. Moreover, I said one more concept called data garbage collection. Garbage collection also one more important facility, which I also am going to show you practically. Okay. And as a part of platform independent, I already discussed what is platform independent and how the platform independent in how the platform independency in Java, how the platform independency in Python, and almost I explained in the class. And today's class I am going to enter into the word called what? Portable. Just a small piece is left out that I want to speak, and then I will go for what? Dynamically typed programming language. And once again I am requesting to all the new students, and in the day one itself, don't try to understand everything in one class itself, because Python is not one day, or data science is not one day class. Attend 2 or 3 classes so that you will get the complete clarity, complete professionalism you will get it. Okay, let me speak about portability also here. Last class I gave you the concept called what? Platform independent. Platform independent. Shall I recapitulate for 2 minutes? C language comes under what language? Platform dependency. Platform dependent. Why platform dependent? Because the data types of C, C++ are specific to particular operating system. And yesterday there is a lot of discussion about 1 hour 20 minutes only about platform independent is explained. Okay, and the Java data types are going to be called what? Common, same memory space on all OSs. It is known as what? Independent. It is called what? Independent. And now it is going to store what values in Java? Smaller values. Which values? Yes. To store more number of values, which concept we have taken yesterday? Classes concept. Super. Classes concept. And objects will store what in Java? Any number of values we can store, but they are called fixed number of values only you can store. Fixed number of values. Can I store a large number of values? No. Can we store dynamic number of values? We cannot. To store dynamic number of values, we must go for Python. In Python, everything is organizing in the form of what? Objects. Behind the objects, who is there? Classes are there. And about the classes, I am going to explain. So Python deals everything with what? Forget yesterday. Last class I gave the conclusion, but you forget already. In Python, everything is treated as what? Objects. In Python, everything is treated as objects. Behind the object, who is there? Class. Yesterday I gave very good clarity for you. Totally 1.5 hours. I explained C platform dependency, Java platform dependency, Java primitive data types, keywords, Java classes concept. Even though it is not a course of our action, to get a more perfection in the programming part, I give you the type of concept in the class. Okay. So in Python, everything is called object. Behind the object, who is there? Class. About that, I will give certain idea for you, certain awareness for you. Very shortly, entering into the program. Once again, I am requesting to all of you, those who are new to this class, if you are looking for a good and strong programming in the class, continue this. And if you feel that something is already over, very shortly in morning 9 a.m., one more batch is going to start. Morning 9 a.m., one more batch is going to start. There you can take a backup class of mine for these two things. Okay, now I am going for what? Dynamically typed programming language. And before that, let me complete what? Portable. Yes, within 2 minutes I will complete portable. Yes. What is the English meaning of portable? What is the English meaning of portable? Platform independency is discussing with respect to the software point of view. What is that? With respect to the software point of it. And portability is discussing with respect to the application point of view. Application point of view. My Python software can run on any type of OS. So it is known as what? Platform independent. Yesterday's class there is a large description. And today's class we are talking about portable. Take a small example, guys. Portable means, English meaning is easy to carry. What is an English meaning? Easy to carry or easy to move is called what? Portable. Take one example. Immediately you will not connect to me. So I need to give definitely one general knowledge which you like most. Because I need to talk everything in terms of your interest. Right. This is called Airtel network. Yes, Airtel network. This is called Jio network. Take Jio network. Yes, Jio network. Okay. Now you are a Airtel customer. You are using Airtel SIM. Airtel customer you are, and you are not satisfied with the Airtel number. You are not satisfied with the Airtel network. What you will do immediately? You will apply for port, MNP, right or not? So mobile network portability. What remains same? Number remains same. What is changing? Network is changing. That means number remains same. Remains same. What is different? Network provider is different, right or not? I may go for this network, I may go for this network, I may go for any network. Similarly, if you understand me, so my mobile number is same, I can use these services. Similarly, if you carefully follow my explanation, this is called what? Windows OS. This is called Windows OS. This is called Unix OS. Maybe I have Red Hat Linux. Maybe I have Solaris. Maybe I have Ubuntu. Maybe I have any number of OSs. What is same? My Python project is same. What is same? My Python project is same. That project can run on where? Unix, Windows OS, can run on Linux, can run on Unix, can run on what? Any type of OS without causing any portable problems. Are you understanding? Hence my application Python project is portable or not portable. My company is using Windows. After a few days, they are installing Unix. But what remains same? Python project remains same. Hence my project is portable or non-portable? Portable. So what is portable application or portable project or portable program? A portable application or portable project is one whose applications can run on any OS without causing any problems. That is known as what? Portability. If you take C program, we need to write some type of additional programs we need to write. For which purpose? Portability purpose. Whereas in the case of Python, we need not to write any such kind of portability. Additional programs need not to write. Even in Java case also, need not to write any type of portability programs. Are you able to understand what is portable? Can we write portable here? Yes. Even Government of India is planning portable account numbers also. Example, if you are an SBI customer, you have some account number. If you are an ICICI customer, you have some other account number. In olden days also, mobile network also, separate SIM cards will be there or not. Later on, they gone for MNP. Like that, banking also, RBI is also planning to go for, portable account number. One account number only, it can work on all the banks, which is, when it is going to come, it's a planning of the RBI. So I hope you are understanding what is meant by portable. So I will write the simple explanation of portable. So portable applications are those, portable applications or projects are those, projects are those, projects are those which are running on, which are running on every OS, which are running on every OS without considering their vendors, without considering their vendors, Microsoft vendor or HP vendor or some different type of vendors, it never bother about it. It runs on every type of OS. That is known as what? Portable. What is an example of the portable applications? Example of portable applications are Python projects, and next is called what? Java projects and Java projects, and Java projects. Or comes under which one? Or comes under portable. And whereas if you come to C, C++ projects, C++ projects, especially C++ projects, comes under, come on, non-portable. Non-portable. Yes, this is what I just want to bring to your notice. These are all depends on what? Platform independency indirectly. Portable and platform independent is slightly difference is there. Platform independent is purely working with software with OS. This one, project with OS. Are you okay? Right. Coming to the next one is called what? Come on. Yes. Dynamically typed programming language I want to give. It is one of the real wonderful feature of your Python programming. Let's move to the forward. Dynamic programming. Dynamically typed programming language. Yes. Coming to the here. Coming to the dynamically typed programming language. Java is a dynamically typed or static typed? Two types of programming languages are there basically. Number one, two types of programming languages are there basically. One is called static typed programming language. What is that? Static typed programming language. 1 minute, small letters I will type. Static typed programming language. First one. Listen carefully. Now next is called what? Dynamically typed programming language. What is meant by static typed? What is meant by dynamic typed? I will give the practical answers here. We have two types of programming languages. Two types of programming languages. One is called what? Static typed, and one more is dynamic typed. What is happening in static typed? Whether you observed yesterday's Java code or not, let us go to yesterday's Java code. Java. Do you remember this? Yesterday's class. Those who are new students also try to understand. Here, class student. See, variable name, data type. Variable name, data type. Variable name, data type. Without any data type, can you take any variable? No. Yesterday, I gave a small explanation about the data types. Did you remember that? Data types. 24 hours back, I gave you some concept called data types. What is that meaning? Data types are always used for what? Allocating memory space. What guys, are you forgetting daily or what? Yesterday only I said or not? What is the purpose of data types? Allocating the memory space. Without data types, what is not possible? Memory space is not possible to allocate. Without data type, what is not possible to allocate? Memory space is not possible to allocate. Let us take one more example. Java, just Java, test, PROC. In that, I want to do some sum of two numbers. Sum of two numbers. A is equal to B is equal to 20 and C is equal to A plus B. Errors you will get it. 3 errors you will get it. Why? Taking the value, you are taking the next value, you are trying to add them and putting into another variable called C, basic knowledge, small basic knowledge. Here, we don't have the memory space for A, memory space for B, memory space for C. So without the memory space, you are store the values and you are going to get the error. Let us see this error once. I hope totally forgetting day by day, I think so. Coming to the command prompt, E:/cd KVR Python 6 pm and there Java C. Now I am just trying to compile our program Java C test proc.java. See the errors. The three errors are going to come. What's the first error? Cannot find the symbol A, cannot find the symbol B, cannot find the symbol C. Obviously, we are getting all of them. A, B, C are called what? Errors. How many errors? 5 errors. Reason is, if you remember my yesterday's concept, today's types are basically used for what? Allocating the memory space for our inputs which I am storing. Since I did not use the data type, memory space is not created. So what should I do? Data type is compulsory to use it. Int A is equal to 10, int B is equal to 20, obviously int C is equal to, yes, system.out.println, it is a statement to display the result. Sum is equal to what? Plus C. Just execute. Compiled it, execute the program now, see the output of it. I got the result. Okay, this problem. Class path is equal to that, you don't worry. Just I am showing the example of static typed and dynamic typed. See the result, sum is equal to what? 30. Are you understanding? So, what is the purpose of data types? Allocating the memory space. Without allocating the memory space, we can't move even one step ahead. C language, C++, Java, .NET, compulsory we must use what? Without using data type, is it possible to do the programming? Not possible. Last and final. Some x is equal to 12.34. What is an error? X is an error. Come on, you need to come up like anything. What is an error? X. Why X is an error? No memory space, no data type. Data type need to give compulsory or not? But I did not give any data type. See the error. Cannot find the symbol called what? X. So I need to go for which type? Generally everybody will expect a float. It is not a float. It is a double. Because the people will be just misguiding the students. Just to see, you will get error. Possible lossy conversion, cannot convert to double to float. This is what your lack of knowledge. Incompatible types. Possible lossy conversion from where? Double to float. It is called double, but you are taking float. This is what people are misguiding in Java. Yes, of course, as a Java faculty, as a Python faculty, I would like to make you alert. Be careful. So I need to write what here? F. What should I write? F. Then it will be compiled. Are you getting? If I remove this F, definitely I have to write what? Double. So double I need to write. Yes. See, compile this and then execute. I will be getting that result. If you want, I can print that result also. System.out.println. I can write value of x. Value of what? X is equal to what? X I am saying. Just execute. All of them are using it. Compile it and executing. So with this, what I am asking you, I am not asking you to learn Java coding here. I am asking you in Java, in C++, in C language, in .NET, in every programming language, to store the input, compulsory you must specify what? Data type, which is little complex for the programmer. I am saying that I want to bring to your notice. Because you felt some difficulty in taking x is equal to 12.34. Is it float? Is it a double? Some difficulty you faced or not? Such a difficulty is not there in which language? Python. Who is going to decide the data type automatically? Python environment will decide. That's why Python is what language? Dynamically typed programming language. Which language? So in which language I have to compulsory specify the data type? In C, C++, Java, .NET. Compulsory we must specify the data type. That's why they are known as what? Static typed programming language. In Python, you need not to specify the data type. Depends on the value you are placing, automatically data type will be decided by the Python environment only. That's why Python is what language? Dynamically typed programming language. This is one of the most important facility in the industry. This is only the language will provide such type of facility. Can I show you practically? I shown you the downloading process of Python software. Have you installed in all your laptops? Right. Let us go to the Python environment. Python environment. Python command prompt. Environment is opened. Those who are new, I will show you once again the downloading process in a day or two. I will show you that. Regularly in the first beginning days, I will show you 1 or 2 times again and again. Even if you get doubt personally, bring your laptop, I will clarify your doubt. You are always welcome with your doubts. Bring the laptop then. If I explain on pen and paper, the days has already gone. Everything I want to speak to you practically. Okay, Navesh? Right. Come on now. A is equal to, same program, A is equal to, come on, 10. Here you see, variable name is equal to 10 I am writing. Variable name is equal to 10. B is equal to what? 20. C is equal to what? A plus B. Printer, sum is equal to, don't worry about it, this entire thing. I will explain that. Comma what? C. Am I getting the result or not? So, but I did not use any data type. Who is assigning the data type for ABC? Come on. Python environment is assigning. That's why Python is called which language? Dynamically typed programming language. Sir, show me the data type, sir. Show me the data type. Print statement is used for what? Printing the result. Like a printf statement in C language. In Python language, to print the value of it, I am using print function. See how difficulty the system.out.println, this is a statement in Java. This is very difficult. Not even one student knows what is system, what is out and what is println. The most experienced faculty of 24 years of experience in Java, I am telling to you, I did not see a correct student who is a correct meaning of system.out.println, including you people also. Including 90% of the faculties don't know that. Don't know. Because when you go to interview tomorrow for Java, first question is that only. What is the purpose of system.out.println? You understand that it is used to display the result. Perfect. What is system? What is out? What is println? What is the relation between all these things? Nobody knows, including you also. All of you. Anybody knows, I will take my words back. Because I am not asking question today. From last 20 years I am asking. But in our Java classes, we will show practically that statement. Anything you learn, it should be more practical. Yes, anybody knows? Yes. Anybody? Somebody is trying to tell. I want a correct answer. Saying off, wrong and correct, that is going to be 50 minus 50 is called 0. Because it is not academic now. 15 marks question, writing something correct and not writing something right. I am not going to give you any academic marks. Yes, if you are ready, you can tell. Stand up. 1 minute. System is excellent. Of which class? That is wrong answer. I will show you practically. 1 minute. Out you said object of, stand up. Out is an object of which class? System class you said, which is called Blender. How, sir? Show me, sir. Now I am showing you. Yeah, coming to that. Because this is what faculties are misguiding. Java P, show you. Java P, java.lang.system. See, Java P, java.lang.system. Set path is equal to 1 minute mark. I will show you. Otherwise, student will think that that is only the correct answer. They will think. Let me set the path. 1 minute I will show you. Program files and then Java and then Java 14, 15, 16 bin folder I will show you. Yeah, coming to the point back, I will set it. Now see, now I am showing the library. I am showing the library. See, out is an object of what class? Print stream class. But student is thinking what? Out is an object of what? System class. Right or wrong? Ma? That's what I am saying. So we need to write correct answers. Are we realizing now? Right. Sit down. So that is what I am saying. When I am saying something means it is a pakka, then only I am saying in the class. And you don't feel, okay? Don't feel. Right. So coming to back. Now coming to back of Python environment. Python environment. Come on, tell me. Now I want to show you what is the type of A. To see the type of A, I will use one function called what? Type. Type of which variable? A. Type is one predefined function. Learning Python is nothing but learning about libraries. Without libraries, we can't do a single operation in real time. And I shown some of the few segments in the class also. So type of A. In Python, all the data types are available in the form of what yesterday? Classes. Behind the classes, who is there? Yes, look at that. What is int? What is int? Class. What is int? What is A? Of which class? Yes. Are you giving this int data type? No. Who is assigning the int data type? Python environment. Next, type of what again? B. What is the type? Int. Are we assigning the int for the B variable? No. Next, type of what again? C. What is the type? Good. Let me go to one more. 2.34. 2.34. What is the type of A? Come on, quickly. Float. What is, okay, 1 minute. What is this A? A. Float. What is that? What is that A? Float, okay. What is A? Of which class? Yes. So, earlier I took it as A is what value? Now A is taken as which value changed? Which value? In Python, float. In Python, double is not there. Why float and double? Because there is some variance is there. In Python, any amount of data I can store. Why there are two data types in Python, float, in Java, float and double? Because of some size restrictions. In Python, there are no such restrictions. You can store any amount of data even in where? Python language. Are you able to get my point? So, if we come back to my Python language, if you come back to my Java language, one important point I want to say. What is the type of A? Can I store in A is equal to 12.34? No. Why? It is already statically typed, statically designed. You designed as which type? But I am trying to store what? A. Which is what type? Is it allowed? Not allowed. You will get error. You see, go to this place. Of course, I closed that prompt. Command prompt I closed. So, :cd. Here we are. This I want to show you. Yes, you see, Java C test PROC dot Java. You see that? You see that? Test PROC, yes. Yeah. It is going to give you error. What is that? A is which type? Incompatible type. Because you typed A as which type? Int type. But you are assigning which value? Float type. But in Python language, you come immediately. Last and finally, you see, clarity wise, A is equal to what? Print of what? A comma, I will print side by. So you will get the clarity. What is the value of A? 100. What is its type? So hence A is which object at that point of time? Int object. Which object? A is equal to 123.45. Allowed or not? Happily allowed. In Python, allowed. Print of what? A. Happily allowed. It changes its dynamically to which type? Float. A is equal to what again? True. Print of what? A. What is the type? Bool. What is bool? Seema here. What is bool? What is float? What is int? All data types in Python are what? Yesterday I said so many times. Why don't you remember? Come on, I have to make you to boost like anything. I have to take you NumPy, Pandas, regular expressions, multi-threading, socket programming. If I just see it is like a big hills. Now you are sitting on the below cellar. So I have to make you to boost like anything. Of course, I have very good weapons with me. If you don't move, I have some different techniques are there with me. Right? So please try to cooperate and try to answer my questions. What is int? Bool? Float? What is A? Of which class? Beginning? Int class. Next? Is A is dynamic or static? Python is what language? Dynamically. Are we assigning the data type for that? Who is assigning? Python environment is assigning. Let me show you one more. A is equal to 2 plus 3j. A is equal to 2 plus 3j. What is that number? Complex number. We have seen our school days. No language is supporting this type of data type. Print of A. Which type? Complex. What is complex? What is A? Of which class? Complex class. Shall I go to next? Yes. Next I will take A is equal to 10 comma. I will take my name. I will take something like this place and I will take subject of it and I will take something like India. I am storing same values, different values, anything I am storing. True, I am saying. Yes, see, I am storing in single variable. These many number of values I am storing. Happily allows us to store. Print of, what is that? Print of A comma type of A. Can I store more number of values? Yes. In same variable. Which type? It will have some type or not? To store these many number of values in one variable. Variable should have the memory space or not? Who will allocate the memory space? Data type. How many data types are there in Python? 14 data types. It is one of the question I am giving. You take any Python student except my batches. You take how many data types are there in Python. They don't know even 4 or 5. They don't know even 4 or 5. How can they learn full stack data science? Press enter key. Now what is the type of this? What is the type of that? It is not a list. It is what? Tuple. See the brackets. See that? What is that? Brackets. Yesterday I used one square brackets. Today I changed that brackets. It is called what? Tuple. See my dear students, what is that? Tuple. What is a tuple? What is A? Of which class? What is tuple? Leave it on my shoulder. I will make you wonderful. Same thing. I will just change the brackets. I'll just change the brackets. Of course, I want to change the brackets. Yes, press enter key, print the type of it. What is the type of that? List. So, you will get immediately doubt. Sir, what is the difference between list and tuple, sir? I will give you so many points about it. Tuple in a tuple, nested tuple, inner tuples, list in a list, nested list, list in a tuple in a list. There is a great programming we discuss in the class. I hope you are understanding. Even though you are not understanding immediately now, I am showing the projection for you how greatly you are going to start the data types. Very shortly we are entering into the data types of Python. Am I clear? Shall I move forward? What are you understanding from Python and Java? Java is what type of language? Because compulsory we need to mention. In Python, no need to mention the data type. Who will take the data type? That's why Python language is populated as dynamically typed programming language. Shall I mention that? Yes. So, coming to the point of it, I will take this point and I will write it. Coming to the features of it. In static typed programming languages, look at, in static typed programming languages, the programmer has to specify static typed programming languages. It is mandatory to specify the which one? To specify the data type. specify the data type. For allocating what? Memory space. For allocating memory space. Compulsory part for you. Otherwise, we get what? Compile time error. Which one? Which error will come? Compile time error will come. Compile time error will come. Example is what? Example of static type programming languages what? C, C++, and next is Java, and next is what? .NET. These are all comes under what languages? Static type programming languages. And you don't mind because of my sentences. You bring any Java student. Of course, you don't feel because of my batches only students. Yes, I can proudly say about it. You bring any Java student, I will just put a question on data types. They can't answer it. In data types only going out. In data types there are in Java 17 version is started already in the September of 2021. They don't know even data types also. How can they come up? How can they get the job? People will think that opportunities are now. Plenty of opportunities are there in both Python and Java, but only students doesn't have the good subject. Which you are seeing in the online screening test we are conducting into our institute. So many companies are coming, and every month at least one screening test we will conduct it on both Java as well as in Python. If you work hard in this institute only, you will become a job holder. You need not to participate in open competition. Even you can participate in open competition, nobody will come and stand in front of you. That is what is the credibility of the coding which I will make you to learn in the class. I will explain coding like anything. If you don't read my coding part, it doesn't have any value. So the near future is, the future of yours is only coding. Are you getting me? Yes. Let us coming to the dynamically typed programming language. Now I am going to say, in dynamically typed programming languages, it is optional. It is not necessary. I am writing, not necessary to specify. Not necessary to specify the data type, and data type of the value, data type of the variable. What is variable also you don't worry, because I start from the base level, 0 level to expert. So data type of the variable is decided by whom? Python environment, and data type is assigned. Data type is assigned. Example language is Python language. If anybody knows JavaScript also does not contain data types. Have you seen data types in JavaScript? Of course, if you don't know JavaScript, leave it. At least Python is what language? Dynamically? Good. I hope I am clear about that. Am I clear? Yes. For your purpose, sir, you said 14 data types, sir. Can you just show me, can you just write 14 data types? And we feel happy. If somebody asks me, what is the data type? I will give the elaborated and a detailed discussion about the Python data types. Just I will write you for your understanding purpose, just for view purpose. Number 1 is what? Int. Number 2 is what? Float. Number 2 is what? Bool. Number 3 is what? Complex. That is comes under one category. What is that category importance? I will explain. Next category is called what? STR. What is STR? So full forms means we are gold medalist. Full forms means gold medalist. Already gold medalist is awarded by the colleges. So that also will not have any value. What is STR? Once again? No problem. Say, enjoy. Staying. About STR, I will explain 6 hours. Only on STR. 6 hours. In the 6th hour, it is bouncing your head. Definitely. Suppose there is C. And I am not boasting about me. My subject will make you to dance. S is equal to Python. Okay na? Yeah. Now I will print S. Comma type of S. Comma type of S. What is that? STR. What is S? Object of which class? Yes. Now, I immediately interview is asking a question. Now I want to reverse that yes. I want to reverse it. I want to reverse it. Tell me the answer. You ask any person outside who did Python and all. You ask that question. They can't. They can't. Now I will write you. I will just write. See, I am writing. I am writing. -1 I am writing. See the answer. Reverse. It is reverse. Reverse ma P last Y T H O N P Y T H O N. S is equal to madam. 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 What is that? What is that? What is this is called a string palindrome. It's a written test questions. They will ask you accept a test and reverse it and then decide whether it is a palindrome or not. S is equal to Liril. Have you heard about Liril soap? Liril soap? Not heard about it. Okay. So S of what is that again? Liril. Malayalam. It is also reverse is called like this. What is that operation here I am using? It is called string slicing. There are so many syntaxes are there. You see anybody's Python notes in the entire I may repeat and decide. They can't explain. I am giving an alert. Please check everything. Check mine and decide. Because if I don't tell all these things, my students are losing their subject, going and falling in some river, and to come out of it, it will take a lot of time. Are you able to understand? Yes. So like that I will just to show you different operations on it. Okay, right. Come on to the point. Next is called what you know? Bytes. What is that? Bytes. Next is called what? Byte array. Byte array. In our WhatsApp, end-to-end encryption is going on or not? In our WhatsApp, end-to-end encryption. When you are chatting, how the data is sending and how the data is receiving, end-to-end encryption is going on. What are the data types used there? Bytes and byte array. Network communication, that programming I am going to teach in the class. Socket programming we can call, which is most important in our full stack data science. Okay, next is called what? Range. Range. That is comes under one category of data types. How many data types? 14 now. 8. Right now 8. Next is called what? List. Next is called what? Tuple. Next is one more is called a set. One more is called what? Frozen set. What is that? Frozen set. Next is called what? Dict. Next last is called what? None. How many data types? 14 data types. I hope you are understanding. Okay, count it, no problem. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, last 2, 14. I have seen so many people, data types, 1 day, 1 hour, over. I will discuss this data type because I am a data scientist. In the data scientist, in ML, in deep learning, how these data types are important, I can't imagine. In NumPy, in Pandas, for data visualization, for decision making, I can't imagine how much important these are. I will teach these data types for 1 week. 1 week. The master data types are what? List and tuple. I can speak in half an hour, I can say finished because student don't know. Person like me, face to face an interview, you will see stars in the day. HD cinema you will see in the interview. That HD cinema if you see, where to go you cannot. If you see your Python teacher is not there. Then what to do? Why all these problems? Why don't you learn subject in depth of it? Why I am giving all these things is I am making you to realize. If anybody miss my class, unfortunately or fortunately, if anybody miss, you ask this explanation of any faculty. Explain them how that is coming. I will explain with the left hand, left finger, some 3 formulas I will give you. I just prepared it, 3 formulas, you will learn like anything. Are you able to follow? Yes. Let us come into that next. Now I want to give you some clarity to you related to, sir, you are talking about a class object, some small tension is there in the brain. Can you give some small awareness? Python is inspired from how many languages which I said already in our class? 4. Number 1, C. What feature is inspired? Functional programming language. Which language? Functional programming. It is inspired from where? C++. Which programming? Wonderful. Object-oriented programming contains 8 principles are there. 8 principles are there. Some of the people are saying only 4. Because they invented that 4. Amirpet people will invent a lot of things. In Amirpet, lot of things they will invent. If you learn this Amirpet inventions, we will be in Amirpet only senior citizen we will become. Because sometimes if I become emotional, I speak something more. You don't feel it. If 8 principles are there, if they taught 4 principles, where the student will go tomorrow? Because as a most ethical faculty, I am speaking in the class. Am I clear? So, they are saying classes and objects are not Hooke's features. Inheritance, abstraction, polymorphism, only 4 they are saying it is Hooke's principle. Without using this class, how can they write it? That's why to overcome those kind of dark place, come to the lighting place and then learn programming so perfectly. So, coming to the point, I want to give you some awareness about what is class and what is object. Just awareness I am talking. About Hooke's features, I am going to explain virtually 12 days with a complete implementation of it. How to develop our own class, how to design our own object, everything I will explain. Let me give you the very good clarity related to awareness I am giving. Just awareness only I am giving here. So let us talk about awareness. So I am talking about what? Awareness. About awareness about what? Classes and what? Objects. Awareness about what? Classes and objects I am going to give you. Awareness about classes and objects I am going to give you. Let us clearly try to follow. Let us try to follow clearly here. Yes, look at that. Now, I am not giving technical awareness. I am giving general awareness about what? Classes and objects. You come here. Sit here so that you can see the stage board. So you are already late. Sit. So you are already late. If you sit with me, you can understand it quickly. Right. Come on to the point. No, you need to get it. So, I am giving the awareness about what? Class and object. Carefully listen. Fine. In our real life, awareness means I am comparing real life example. That is not real time example. Real time example is different. Real world example is different. I am covering real world example. Okay? Awareness. Suppose you want to construct a house. You want to construct a house. General question. What you will do? And you don't say, sir, I will buy the land and all those things. I will say one more thing. You have a land already. You already land. You have already money. Everything is there. You want to construct a house. What you will do? Huh? Excellent. Plan. Plan, huh? Yeah. I will go for the plan. So, I will go for the plan. Yes. See, online students also saying, go to architecture, go to planner. They are also saying, see how sincere they are called. How sincere they are called. Come on, plan. Okay, the plan. A good architecture, a good architect will come in front of you. He will create a good model for you. He will create a good model for you. He will design a good model. He will design a good model. In a piece of paper he will create. He will create all the dimensions. He will create all the dimensions. So he will go for what? So some bed 1 and then bed 2 and bed 3. Something like some different area. This is called something and this is called some kitchen, some puja, something like a drawing hall, and then you are talking like this and you are watching carefully, right? Learn Python well, you can also do your own things. Right? So house plan is ready. Plan is ready. This is plan is ready. Will you live in that plan? Come on, answer my question. Will you live in that plan? No, it is a piece of paper, right or not? It is a piece of paper, ma. It is a piece of paper. And this is more valuable. Which I can take Xerox also. But I cannot tell this for crores of rupees. Can I sell it for crores of rupees? No, it is only the specification of my house. It is a specification of my house. Dimensions are given. Will you live inside? No. So it is called what? Logical representation of my house. Yes or no? Is it containing memory space to live? No. It is called what? Class. General awareness sample. What is technical awareness of class? Please leave it. You leave it on my shoulder. I am just giving awareness. What is that? Plan is nothing but a piece of paper. In that something is drawn. Will you live inside? It is only called what? Specification of my house. I can't live inside. I can't sell that plan for crores of rupees. That plan I will give to the builder. I will give to the builder. What builder is doing? He will take that. He will take some 1 year of time. He build the house according to my specification. This is named as what? X house. What is that house name? X house. Now you are doing a function and you are celebrating and you live inside of that house. What is visible to you? What is visible? X house is visible, which is known as what? Object. Behind that house construction, what is there? Plan is there. That plan is called what? And this visible thing is what? Who is having memory space? Object. Behind object, who is there? Super. Class first, object first. Class. If you come to Python also, if you want to develop a real-time project, what they will develop first? Next what? Class acting as what? Data type. And your object is called what? Just like a variable. Inside I will store my values. Come on, where do you store values? Object. To create an object, what is required? Super. Come on, based on that house, your relatives have seen, oh, beautiful house. I want the same plan. I want the same plan. They are also taking your plan. You give to them. They also constructed what? Y house. What is Y house? What is X house? How many objects? How many classes? Super. Class will exist how many times? One time. Objects can exist how many times? Super. Come to practically immediately. Come to practically immediately. What is that? A is equal to what? 10. B is equal to what? C is equal to what? A plus B. Print of what? A comma. Type of what? 1 minute ma. Okay. Coming to next line. No problem. Okay. Sorry ma. Let me write. In a hurry it is pressed enter key. Yes. Print. Okay. Print. Type of A. Type of A. What is the type of A? What is int? What is A? Next, B. B I will write it. B comma. Type of what? B. What is the type of B? How many ints? 1. 1. Plan is how many? How many houses? How many int? How many variables? Is it not AB called X house, Y house? Is it not int is called same? Come on ma. Next, type of what next? C comma what? Type of C. What is ABC type? What is ABC type? What is the class name? Int. One int can create how many variables? A, B, C. What are A, B, C? X house, Y house, Z house. All of them are planning same plan or not? What is the plan is called? Class. What is plan is called? Types of houses are called what? Good. Behind the object, who is there? Right. Last and final. Every year, automobile industry, Honda people, Maruti people, Hyundai people will design the new model of the cars or not? Yes or no? To release the new car in the market, before 6 months they will design the model in the manufacturing company R&D phase or not? Will they reveal that in the beginning only? No. They will secretly design, study the customer satisfaction levels, and they will release the new model. And 1 month before they will say we are launching the new car in the market, so that all their customers will wait for it. Yes or no? Before going to release the car, they will have one model or not? That model is called what? That manufacturing component is called what? Behind the object, what is there? Super. What is that class? Formula. Formula. That formula implementation is called what? Good. Medicine. Pharmacy you come. pharmacy you come. COVID vaccines are coming or not? Our Indian vaccines are going on. Before the vaccine, lot of R&D has done or not? That R&D is called what? Super. That R&D implementation is called what? Vaccine development. Behind of everything, what is there? With the class, what are burning? You are all called what? Of which class? Student. You are all called objects of which class? Yes. You are all having memory space to sit or not? Which I can store the value. Behind the object, who is there? Class. Who am I? Huh? Who am I? Object. Am I class? You can touch and feel also. I am having a space. Who am I? Of which class? Teacher class. Yes or no? Yes. This is an object of what? Mobile. What is object of which class? You are calling always mobile. You are wrong actually. It is an object of which class? Mobile class. Mobile is of type Samsung. Mobile is of type iPhone. Mobile is of type something. Mobile is of type something. Mobile is called what? Class. It is a technology. Technology implemented to these companies. Am I correct or not? Anything you see in the real life, what? Behind the object, who is there? Good. Aeroplane. Class. When do you come to my mindset? I don't know. I had to struggle a lot. What is aeroplane? Indian Airlines, Deccan Airlines, Jet Airways. These are all called objects of aeroplane. Yes or no? Yes. Come on. Next. Bottle. Bottle. You have different type of bottle. Some different small bottle, big bottle, different shape bottles. They are all called what? End of every object, who is there? Class. I hope you are getting me. Last. Store the data. Come on. Where do you store the data? Objects. Behind object, who is there? In Python, everything is stored in the form of what? Objects. Behind objects, who is there? That's why in Python, all the data types are given in the form of what? Given in the form of classes. Given in the form of what? Classes. Still, you did not reach me. So I require one punishment for you. Very shortly, I will implement that punishment. Very shortly. What is that punishment? You will experience it. That day onwards, you will set right like anything. I will set right, definitely. Yes. Last and final. What is this? Object. Good. Object of which class? Super. How many objects are there here? Many. All of them are belongs to which class? Fan class. What is this is now? Of which class? Remote. What is remote? Types of remotes. Yes. Bus. Types of buses. That's it. Now when you go to home, you just take by yourself some example. Whoever is visible, ask your friend, what is that? You will say object. What is the type of that class? You just question. You will become perfect. Am I correct? Necessary to keep some more example? Right, last and final. If you say wrong answer, I can't do anything else. Even I am feeling hungry by speaking more and more. Morning 7 to 9, 9 to 11, 11 to 1, 4 to 6, 6 to 8. Again if I go to home, again 8:30 to 10. Again class. Come on, it's no problem. Let's go to animal. Super. Tiger. Object of animal class. You link that. Tiger is an object of animal class. Yes. Elephant. Object of animal class. Don't say object. Object of animal class. Last and final. Bus. Good. Types of buses. Super you are. This continue. You continue this performance. But the only problem with the students is when they step out, pollution will come into the head. Tomorrow you will forget and come to the class. That is only the problem. That's why don't speak to any outsider frequently. When they ask, you give the reply, that's it. Don't talk to anybody else too much. When you talk too much, the antibodies which are there in your brain will go out. I think you are understanding what I am talking. Are you okay? Right. Come to the point of it. Today I spoke about only the concept called what? Yes. Last one I want to write. In Python programming, this you have to remember. In Python programming, all the values are stored in the form of, excellent, all the values are stored in the form of what? In the form of, yes, in the form of what? Objects. And behind the objects, who is there? Good. Don't worry about the behind the object. Behind the objects, we have what? Classes. We have what? A small example I want to ask you. A is equal to what? Yes. B is equal to what? 10, 12.34. Now I am asking you, print of A comma type of A. Please tell me the answer, please. Answer. Already you have seen. It's a Python statement. Print of A. What is the value? 10. What is the type of it? Class comma what? Int. For my satisfaction, what is int? What is A? Super. What is B? What is the type of B? Float. What is float? Super. So, will you continue that performance? 12 point what? 34. 12 point what? 34. Which is a type? Super. Super. Over. Now, for your whatever you understood, I will write it. Comment I will write it. Comment in Python is called hash symbol. Comment in Python programming is hash symbol. Here, A is an object of, A is an object of class int. Always I will write most technical words I will use it. Class int. In int, yesterday's class I told C language, C++, it is called what? Keywords. But in Python, what is that? Object. What is the difference between that int and this int? That int will have restriction to store the data, but this int can store any amount of data, because this is called what? Object. Object will have no restrictions on size of the data. That's why it is more popular for calculation part in data scientist level. Are you getting my point? And B is called here, I am writing here, B is an object of which class? Yes, ma? Which class? Dot class. This point I want to make you to remember permanently. Last and final. Every value in Python stored in the form of dash. Behind objects, who is there? Class. Class first or object first? A particular class exists how many times? One time. With respect to one class, how many objects I can create? Many. How many objects I can create? Many. Are you understanding awareness? This is only awareness. When I start developing the coding, it's really heaven. You will see HD cinema in the class. Not HD, more than HD plus also you will see. And the coding level, I will show miracles in coding. It's my 24 years of coding experience only I am going to share with you. Okay, na? Yes. So, whatever I am explaining, don't try to forget immediately. Try to remember and try to come to the class. Very shortly, today, get the Google Drive class. I will post my notes. Who are all registered in this batch, they will get the notes from tomorrow onwards. And who did not register, start registering. If you like it, if you don't like it, we can't do anything else. We can't come and force you come here. But one day you will be realizing that something is missing. What is that instead of missing? Try to enjoy this. And coding is the most primary responsibility you are getting here. So now I am going to stop. How many types of programming languages now? Two types. One is static programming, dynamic programming. Python comes in. Are you giving data type or automatically given? Who will give? Good. How many data types in Python? 14. That 14 I will explain in depth. Okay, na? Shall we stop the class now? So tomorrow class we will continue the next feature called what? Interpretation. How the Python program is internally executing. I will explain the internal execution of the Python programming. So don't miss that class, right? Thank you.